Hi, this is Tina from the PwC team, and we're going to present InfoLens, which is an AI-powered personal information feed. We have a great team who has been working with this challenge, and it's basically around the challenge of information overload. If you work with communications, you know that it's a big struggle to reach out with information. For a consultancy firm, it's even more of a struggle because consultants are supposed to spend 100% of their time on client assignments. So there isn't really any time to keep up to date with either external or internal news or updates or insights, but it's really crucial. For example, a consultant would meet a client within the car manufacturing industry. It would be crucial for him to keep track of new regulations within kind of the sustainability field or the AI field because they're connected cars, right? Or the transportation industry. And it could be that the client or PwC has been in the press lately, and he really needs to know about that. Or perhaps we have released a new report, which is really relevant for the client. And there's also lots of internal sources that he needs to know about. There isn't much time to do this. So the risk is that it's not being done at all when talking to clients. It's a real risk of missing important business opportunities. So that's why we have created personal information feed. This is personalizing what you need to know, gives you really the right insights at the right time before client assignments.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you a little bit about our architecture. First of all, we have three main pages: the feed, my clients, and settings. On feed, we have four important filters: clients, PwC, market and regulations. All this information generated from our internal and external APIs. So the front end was created in Lovable and TypeScript, and we also used Vited for the integration. And we have OpenAI, Fast API, and Pydantic creating the internal and external API servers. For the internal sources, we have MS Teams, chat logs, emails, SharePoint, and Salesforce provided by PwC. And for external sources, we have news from everywhere. In here, I'm going to show you a little bit about our code. We have our front end in Lovable. We have a real good API schema here that shows us how to integrate to the front end. And in the back end, we have the internal sources coming from here in these API examples. External sources, we have this other backend right here. And now let me show you our great demo. In here, we have the main information about the platform, our team, and let's go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, I impersonated Tom Smith, our PwC consultant, and we can see here that we have 6 active clients, some opportunities for this week, some appointments for the week, and in here we have a feed with everything that I need to know about all my clients, everything that is coming from internal and external sources, clients, PwC information, market information, and regulations. And here you have a chatbot where you can ask anything about all the information that you have this in the platform. And here we can also ask, I want to know about ESG. So here we go. The context provides information on preparing for ESG audits. All of that is generated from our internal sources. In here I have all my clients. One of the main clients that I have right now is Nordic Motors. And for these clients, I know everything that I need to know for PwC. We have the main information about the company. We have the relationship and the open opportunities, past engagements, how is the contract, marketing competitors, including regulations, key people that I should talk to or I'm going to talk to in the next meetings, and meeting preparation with some information that I have to do, action items and communication search. The objective here is to have everything I need to know about this company, this contract, the market that it's inserted on, and also how PwC can help the company and how can I do a better job as a consultant. For settings, we have main settings here, internal sources, so I can understand where is my information coming from, and external sources with my thumbs up or thumbs down, or save the information or share. I can also look for all this information around the internet and bring it to my platform. And in here I can evaluate the information that I have and also go to the company's information. That's exactly what a consultant needs to start the day-to-day job. And if you want to see the platform by yourself, you can check this QR code right here. And if you like our demo, please vote for us so you can compete for all the other juries. InfoLens, see what matters when it matters. Thank you very much. See you Thursday.